Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about supplementary angles in chapter 4, lines and angles. So we are going to learn about first supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So what about supplementary angles? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, so it is called supplementary angles. What about supplementary angles, children? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, so it is called supplementary angles. $180, so it is called supplementary angles. For example, this is 70 degrees. This is 110 degrees. The sum of these 2 degrees, that means 70 degrees plus 110 degrees equal to 180 degrees. So 70 plus 110 equal to 180 degrees. When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, now we are said to be these are supplementary angles. This is the example. Now we are going to learn exercise 3. The first one, which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? Which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? The first pair, one 10 degrees, $70. This is the first pair. Second pair, $90, 90 degrees. This is a second pair. Now third pair, $50, 140 degrees. 50 degrees and 140 degrees. First pair, second pair, that is third pair. This is third pair. What is the given question, children? Which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? First take this one. The first angle 110 degrees. The second angle 70. What about supplementary? The sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So it is called supplementary angles. So 110 plus 70 equal to how much, children? 180 degrees. Equal to how much? 180 degrees. So these two angles are, that means this pair. This pair is a supplementary. It is a supplementary. This pair is supplementary. Now take second pair. So 90 plus 90. 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Total how much? 180 degrees. So this pair also, second pair also supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Now take third pair. What about that? 50 and 140. Now 50 plus and 140. Total how much, children? 190 degrees. This 190 more than 180. This 190 more than 180. So it's not a supplementary. This pair is not a supplementary. Okay. Supplementary. Okay, supplementary. First one is first pair is supplementary, and the second pair also supplementary, and third pair is not a supplementary. Why it is third one is not supplementary? Mean the sum of the two angles 50 plus 140 is 190 is more than 180 degrees. That's why it is not a supplementary pair. Clear, children? Well, we are going to learn now second problem in exercise 3. Find the supplementary angles of the given angles. Find the supplementary angles of the given angles. The given angles. First one. $105 degrees, 95 degrees, 150 degrees, 20 degrees. Listen, ma. What is the given question? Find the supplementary angles of the given angles. The first one, 105 degrees. Take 105. Supplementary angles, angle of 105 degrees equal to 105 degrees equal to. What about supplementary? 180 degrees. So 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105. Here. Here 10, here 7. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 1 minus 1, no, 0. Total how much, children? 75 degrees. So the supplementary angle of 105 equal to how much? 75 degrees. 75 degrees. This is the solution of first problem. 105 degrees given. Now you have to find the supplementary angle of 105. So how to do this problem? Take 180 mean 180 minus 105. We get 75. That is the answer of supplementary angle of 105. Now take 95 degrees. Second problem, 95 degrees given. So supplementary angle of 95 degrees equal to dash 95 degrees. Now take 180. So subtract 95. 180 minus 95. 180 minus 95. Here 10, 10 minus 5, 5. Here 7, 7 minus 9, not possible. Take borrow. So 17, 17 minus 9. How much? 8. So total how much, children? 85 degrees. So 85. The supplementary angle of 95 degrees is equal to how much? 85 degrees. 85 degrees. Now take third. 150 degrees given. Supplementary angle of 150 degrees equal to. Now 180 minus 150. 180 minus 150. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So how much, children? 30. So supplementary angle of 150 degrees equal to 30 degrees. Now take fourth problem. Take fourth problem, 20 degrees. Supplementary angle 20 degrees equal to, so 180 minus 20. 180 minus 20. Do here. 0 minus 0, 8 minus 2, 6. Here 1. So total how much children? 160. So supplementary angle of 20 equal to how much? 160. Clear? Once again, 105 degrees. Supplementary angle of 105 equal to 75 degrees. 95 degrees given. Supplementary angle of 95 degrees equal to 85 degrees. 150 degrees given third problem. Supplementary angle of 150 equal to 30 degrees. Now 20 degrees given. Supplementary angle of 20 degrees is equal to 160 degrees. In previous class, we discussed about complementary angle. What about complementary angle, children? Tell me, anyone? Yeah. When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, that angles are called complementary angle. Once again, when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, so it is called complementary angle. Now it is a supplementary. What about supplementary? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, so it is called supplementary angle. It is very important, these two angles. Now, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Justify. This is very important question, children. It is very important. Listen it. Two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angle. Justify. Justify. See, children, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angle. Justify. This is the given question. Listen it. First, what about acute angle? It is a lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So, what about pair of supplementary? Supplementary means the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. For example, you take two acute angles. For example, 30 degrees and 40 degrees. 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Why? Because it lies between 0 and 90. It is also same. So the sum of the two angles, 30 degrees plus 40 degrees. How much, children? 70 degrees. So it's not a supplementary. Why? Because the sum of the two angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So this 70 degrees is not equal to 180 degrees. So it's not a supplementary pair of supplementary. It's not a pair of supplementary. Now one more two acute angles. For example, 89 degrees is a acute angle and 89 degrees. Same 89 degrees and 89 degrees. So both are acute angles. Add these two angles. 89 degrees plus 89 degrees. Total how much, children? 178 degrees. It is not also not equal to 180 degrees. It is also not equal to 180 degrees. So 89, the sum of these two angles is equal to 178. It's not equal to 180 degrees. So that's why two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary. So it is a true. It is a true. Why? Because if you take any two acute angles, the sum of the two acute angles is not equal to 180 degrees. That's why two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angle. Clear, children? Is it okay? Yes. Next. 89 degrees after what? 90 degrees. It is a right angle. 90 degrees is a right angle. It's not a acute angle. So that's why take 89. Next problem. Two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. So it is also very important, children. Fourth problem. Two angles are equal. Two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. Listen. Two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. So supplementary to each other and two angles are equal. So find them. So what about supplementary? The pair of supplementary is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So divided by two angles. How many angles given here? Two angles divided by 2. 180 divided by 2. We get how much? 90 degrees. We get how much, children? 90 degrees. So each angle, how much, children? 90 degrees. In pair of supplementary, so each angle is 90 degrees. That's why 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. So find them. So each angle equal to how much? 90 degrees. In pair of supplementary, each angle is 90 degrees. This is the answer. Find them mean each angle how much? Find meaning of find them mean each of angle is how much in a sub pair of supplementary. Clear, children? So it is completed. Now discussing about adjacent angles. What about adjacent angles? The angles having common arm and a common vertex are called adjacent angles. Once again, children, the angles having common arm and a common vertex are called adjacent angles. So adjacent angles. The angles having common arm and common vertex are called adjacent. Adjacent angle. Clear, children? The angles having common arc and a common vertex are called adjacent angle. For example, this is the given angles. So for example, common arm and common vertex. For example, AOB, angle AOB and angle BOC. AOB and BOC. What is the common arm? This is the OP is the common arm. So common vertex what? 1 and this one. So common arm and common vertex are called adjacent angles. AOB and BOC are adjacent angles. Next, BOC and BOA are also adjacent angle. Common R and common vertex. This is the common R and common vertex. So it is called adjacent angles. Clear, children? Now, exercise 4. Which of the following are adjacent angles? Here 3 pairs are given. Which of the following are adjacent angles? The first one, they given like this. Yes. So this point A, this point C, this point D, this point E, this is the O. So once, what is the adjacent angles given? So angle B, angle A are adjacent angles. Angle A and angle B. These two are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Why it is adjacent angles mean? The angles having common vertex and common R. This is the common vertex and this is the common R. So A and B are adjacent angles. Now second one, they given like this, C and D. So angle C and angle D are adjacent angles. Why? Because this is the common R and this is the common vertex. For example, they given 0, O. So O and A. OA is common vertex and common R. OA is a common R. O is a common vertex. So angle C and angle D are angle C and angle D are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Next one, third problem. See children, this is angle A, this is angle F. What about adjacent angles? The angles having common R and common vertex are called adjacent angles. Once here, angle here and here. Where is the common R? No common. And where is the common vertex? No common vertex. This is separate, this separate. So these two angles are separate. It has no common R and no common vertex. So this is not a adjacent angles, not a adjacent angles, not a adjacent angles. Clear, children? So it's not a adjacent angle. Next problem. Name all pairs of adjacent angles in the figure. How many pairs of adjacent angles form? Why these angles are called adjacent angles? This is the given question, children. What is the given? Name all pairs of adjacent angles in the figure and how many pairs of adjacent angles form? Why these angles are called adjacent angles? First you draw this figure. A, B, C, D, and O. What about adjacent children? Adjacent angles, the angles having common vertex and common R. Once here, angle AOC and AOD. AOC and AOD. What is the common R? OA. What is the common vertex? O. So angle AOD and angle AOC. AOD and AOC are adjacent angles. Next, AOD and angle BOB. Angle BOB. AOD and DOB. So OD is the common vertex and common R and O is the common vertex. Next, angle DOB and angle BOC. Angle DOB and angle BOC both are adjacent angles. Here OB is the common R and O is the common vertex. Angle BOC and angle COA. Angle COA. So how many pairs of adjacent angles here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 adjacent angles are there. Clear children? This is the answer of second problem. Clear? Now third problem, can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Draw figure. The third problem, can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Draw figure. Children, what is the given? Can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Draw figure. For example, what about supplementary children? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, so it is called supplementary angles. Once again children, what about supplementary? When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, so it is called supplementary. What here? Can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Draw figure. Yes. A, O, C, B. So here angle 1, angle 2. These two angles are supplementary. These two angles are adjacent angles. Why? Because BOC and COA are adjacent angles. So it has common, what is this? Arm and common vertex. So angle 1 and angle 2. So this is a straight line. This is what children? Straight line. So straight angle. Straight line means what? It has a 180 degrees. So this total angle is 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to how much? 180 degrees. The sum of two angles is equal to how much? Is equal to 180 degrees. It is called supplementary angles. So this straight line, it has a 180 degrees. So these two angles 180 degrees. So it is a supplementary angle. So can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Yes. What is that answer? Yes. The sum of two adjacent angles Why? Because angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Now fourth problem. Can two adjacent angles be complementary? Draw figure. Draw figure. Can two adjacent angles be yes, listen it. Yes, listen it. Can two adjacent angles be complementary? Draw figure. So this is the given diagram. 40 degrees plus 50 degrees. The sum of the two angles is equal to how much, children? 90 degrees. What about complementary? When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, so it is called complementary angles. So 40 degrees plus 50 degrees. Total how much, children? 90 degrees. So it is a complementary angles. So pair 40 degrees each and 40 degrees and 50 degrees both are adjacent angles. Why? Because so this is a common R and a common vertex. This is common vertex. So it has a common vertex and a common arms. So it is called it is a complementary angles. So it is the figure of two adjacent angles be complementary. Your statement is yes. Two adjacent angles be complementary. Yes, two adjacent angles be complementary. It is the answer for fourth question. Clear, children? So today session is completed, children.